Hi everyone, Imran here with another video on how to take screenshot on the Samsung Galaxy A52 and A52s. It is really simple and can be used on all Samsung phones. There are two methods, one is power plus volume down and the other is palm swipe to capture. When you hold these two keys, it will capture the current screen on your screen. As you can see, you can also edit, crop and make some adjustments to the screenshot. Producing these tutorials takes a lot of efforts and time. For encouragement, please like this video and subscribe to our channel. You can save it and can be accessed from phone gallery. The other method is palm swipe to capture. Now you can use your palm gesture to capture the screen. Now go to setting and make sure this is enabled. Palm swipe to capture. Now it will load the settings. As you can see, by default it is already enabled. You don't need to make any changes if it is enabled. You can also go to motion and gesture settings, and at the bottom you can see the option. Now to take the screenshot using your palm, just swipe the edge of your hand with the screen just like I did, and it will capture the current screen. You can also take your screenshot with a tag to organize them into a category if you take screenshots regularly. That's it. If you like this video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel.